I ever fail, just know I'll go again. I never quit, cause I know that every loss may lead to another win. I'm going up. I bet when I land, they gon' tell me it's luck again. See that I'm winning, it's harder to watch. I'm setting the stage, you should give me my props. You ain't got no soul, you lacking the spirit. You talk out your neck, I'ma show you I'm with it. I would really hate for you to sit and watch me win again and win again and win again. I know it's probably...
Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. It's hard to believe that winter is almost over, at least for another month I think. I'm a newbie here in Canada and I'm not gonna lie. Over the past few months, I was a little down, mainly because I wasn't able to go out. So I was waiting for a warmer weather to arrive. I think I spoke too soon, because look at where we are right now. Riverdale Park East. Last night there was a flurry, and to enjoy the remaining cold weather days, we came here to Toboggan. If you've been watching my channel lately, you have probably seen my adventure in Riverdale Park West a few weeks back. If not, then please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. In addition to being a great place for sledding, Riverdale Park East is also the best place to admire downtown Toronto's skyline. Not really my first time here and quite fortunate that it's not as crowded as before. Alright, enough of the chat and let's get started. it for today, guys. Hope you enjoy our little sledging adventure here in Riverdale Park East. Hopefully next time, makapag-snowboard naman tayo.